If you're watching this video, then you're most likely looking into removing the Xbox Game Bar, or you're trying to remove the annoying pop-up that opens every time you open the Xbox app or run a game from Xbox Game Pass. Now this issue happens because the Xbox app or Xbox games contain some type of code that communicates with the Xbox Game Bar. Without the ability to do that, it runs into an issue which is shown via this pop-up. Now I have struggled with completely getting rid of this pop-up, so some of these techniques may not work for you. If one of these techniques works for you, then that's perfect, but if not, then you may need to do a little more digging on the internet. So without further ado, let's begin. Now first off, let's go over how to actually uninstall the Game Bar. Now this is the easier thing to do. Simply open the Windows PowerShell as admin and either type in or copy and paste this text from the video's description. Once that's done, click enter and that's it. If you attempt to open the Game Bar, it's simply non-existent. Now as of now, I don't think there is a way of installing it back besides doing some technological witchcraft or simply reinstalling Windows. If there is a straightforward way to reinstall it, I'm sure you can find it on Google. Now the first method is using registry. Judging by my research, this seems to be the best method. All you need to do is go to registry, then go to HT current user, software, Microsoft Windows, current version, then game DVR. There should be a key named app capture enabled. Set its value to 0 and the base to decimal. Theoretically, you could also do this to the other keys containing enabled, but I'm not sure if that would change much. Next, go all the way back and go to system this time, then game config store. Now just make sure game DVR enabled is set to 0. From what I know of, that is it regarding registry keys. If that doesn't work, then try the next methods. Next method is disabling a singular setting. This has the lowest probability of working, but it's not bad to try. Go to settings, gaming, then game bar. Now disable allow your controller to open game bar. This setting makes it possible for your controller's home button to open the game bar, which when there is no game bar, you'll get this pop-up. If that worked for you, then perfect, but for the people that this didn't work for, you can try the next method. This next method should be done after trying all of the other methods. This method is resetting the Windows Store cache. There may be files still left on your PC that are trying to communicate with the Xbox Game Bar. This is also really easy to do. Simply open your command prompt as an administrator and type in ws reset. This may take a minute, but once done, you can check if this fixed it. That is it. Now, if none of this worked, then your best decision would be to just install the Game Bar back and simply ignore it. Now, in my case, the pop-up is on and off, and at this point, I just close it. If you want to just install the Game Bar back, I will leave a link to my website containing how to do so. That is probably the only true method of permanently getting rid of this pop-up if the other methods don't work. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.